Number 13, Johnny Kim. Number 44, Paul Kim Shop. Number 29, Johnny. Number 34, Kim Tech. And number 1, Park Chan-ho.
Ba't ang dinig ko, Ronnie?
Johnny. Kasi pumasok si Johnny.
This is the second quarter.
Nasaan ba siya dyan? Number ano siya?
Yung may ano, ayun o.
Number 34.
Yes!
Galing mo lang. Ikaw na.
Talagang sa kanya binibigay.
Pinanood ka lang. Pinanood lang nila.
Mahilig sa tres, no? Oh, bayan, bayan.
Go!
Yes!
Yes! Wala, defense.
Ay, grabe.
Puro tres.
Lagot tayo dyan.
Galing nila mag-tres. Ano ba depensa pag ganun? Ay!
May pagano na agad. Pati bibig kasama. Sabi niya.
Pushing foul on number 24, Kim Tech.
What's holding naman?
That's his first personal foul, first team foul for the Rising Eagles.
Kasama sa actingan.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Artista din naman yung atin ah. Actingan din natin.
Oh, oh my God.
Foul.
Yes. Shooting foul.
Yes.
Shoot mo na dyan.
Foul on number 34, Kim Tech.
Masa
That's his
ulit?
second personal foul, second team foul for the Rising Eagles.
Konti sila
Shooting to Joe Hennis Whistle.
Please. Sure lang. Yes. Thank you lang.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Pwede pa na Rizzler.
Papasok na ulit. Oh my God.
Panonoorin uli natin yun.
Go.
Ayan. Papwesto na naman siya doon. Sa favorite niya. Ayan, favorite niya doon. Ah, yes.
Very good, very good, very good.
3 points.
Hindi yun. Ah, 3 yun?
Hindi sila makakapasok sa loob. Ang laki niya ano eh.
Puro tres.
Dapat 3 points na rin tayo.
Oo nga.
Go, JC!
Rivera, you.
Wala.
Yes! Go, River! Relax, relax, relax.
Wala naman tayo. Yes!
Basket traveling.
Defensive foul.
Substitutions for Cruz Showtime. Coming in the ballgame, taking the Talco, Ronnie Alonte, Wendell Ramos, Aya Perez, and Billy Crawford.
Bailey. Go, Bailey.
Ah, wala magbabantay doon.
Gulangan na to, gulangan na. Gamitin ang edad. Wow!
Yeah.
8.3 seconds on the shot clock. 8.3 seconds to shoot.
Si Johnny.
Pushing foul on number 29, Charlie. That's his first personal foul, third team foul for the Rising Eagles.
Johnny.
Okay.
Go, Ayon.
Ay,
Foul.
Foul on number 44, Park Hyun-suk.
Parang feeling ko kapapalo.
That's
Parang
his first
madaming
personal
malalaglag.
foul, fourth team foul for the Rising Eagles.
Shoot. Go, Ayon.
Shooting two,
Ay, si
Ayo
Johnny.
Perez.
Ayun siya.
Yung 29?
29.
Siya pala yun.
Basta ibang puti. Kaya.
It's okay. Alam mo na, naririnig ako.
Para malapit lang tayo, no?
Tulang. Yes!
Yan!
That's more like it.
Relax. Defense! Ah!
Yes!
Yan na.
Birthday ko yan, 26. Ay,
8.
26.
Hindi, yung lamang.
8 daw yung lamang.
Hindi, birthday niya 26.
Traveling.
Oo nga, kasi birthday niya ngayon.
Birthday ko 26.
Traveling.
Time out, Rising Eagles.
Sana.
Naubos na talaga yung...
Ako din eh.
Naubos na yung time out nila.
Everybody! Sino ba dito ang gusto makakuha ng signed basketballs from Bolton, Philippines? Let's go! Okay, everybody! Bawat hasan! Sino ba dito ang gusto makakuha ng Team Bolton, Philippines? Magbababa ng basketballs! Come on, everybody! Give it up! Let's raise your hands! Woo! Taas na ang kamay!
Ano kukunin?
Okay, mga busy pa ang ating mga players. Of course, syempre, when you get the ball, please don't forget to flex it on the social media and use the hashtag #ShootUpAsia. Alright, let's welcome the there's one.
Iba naman yung gulo ko.
Okay, mamaya magbabalik tayo next quarter for the next game.
Uy, nakasaya ka pa, Kun.
Ay, binigay kita, Dustin. Sino naka-steal kanina? Si Ayon, no?
1 point.
Di ba, in-steal niya, pinasa niya kay Ronnie.
Matatangkad kasi talaga sila. Iba yung reach.
Ay!
Oh!
Ano ba yun? Parang patambling na.
Offensive foul on number 20, Wendell Ramos. That's his second personal foul. First team foul for Cool Showtime.
Pag naka-live yan yung mga Pinoy.
Ay!
Go!
Foul on number
Foul.
11, Billy Crawford.
Billy.
That's
Papagano
his
niyo
first
po.
personal foul. Second team foul for Cool Showtime. 20 seconds to shoot.
Nahawakan niya eh.
Ay! Ay, siniko! Ay! Woo! Ay!
Foul on number 11, Billy Crawford. That's his second personal foul. Third team foul for Cool Showtime.
Wala man lang play ba?
Shot clock in 15 seconds.
Ah! Very good! Woo! Very galing ni David! Oh my God!
Up.
Go, Ronnie! Mainit na.
Ang galing mag-dive ni Ronnie. Woo!
Foul on number 44, Park Jin-suk. Penalty situation. That's his second
Binato niya sa
personal foul.
kalaban.
Hindi ko nakita.
Binato niya.
Binato niya ni David.
2 shots for Ronnie Alonde.
Talaga, binato niya.
Binato niya kasi para hindi, para yung...
Para di na sa tulakin.
Parang paus na sila.
Totoo yan.
Oh!
Galing!
Anong
Sino?
meron?
Ano
Why?
naman?
Ano meron?
Lane violation of clear showtime.
Ako rin yan.
Yung violation nila.
Ano violation mo? Ang hirap kasi dito.
Syungon? Ano?
David, relax. Baby.
True.
Ano ba to?
Matangkad eh.
Hindi malit yan si Kyungin.
Foul on number 29, Johnny. That's his second personal foul.
Ma-out na kanya.
Substitutions for Chris Showtime.
Dapat siya pa yung ano, no? Tumumba.
Two free throws for Ronnie Alonde.
Wala, tatlo yan. Sayang yun.
Sure lang. Kapag kasi sila hindi na mapapansin na nagpa-foul sila yung makulang.
At, nice shot. Nakakainis. Ay,
Okay.
galing ah.
Substitution for Chris Showtime. Ball Navarro for Ronnie Alonde. Shot clock at 12 seconds.
Relax. Okay.
Wala.
Okay. It's okay.
Pushing foul on number
Pushing foul
69,
talaga.
Johannes Wrestler.
Wala ako nakita.
That's his second personal foul. 14 foul for Chris Showtime.
Mukha kasing malakas eh.
Big naman talaga kasi sila. Malalaki talaga sila.
Shooting two, Kim Ted.
Ay! Watch out! Watch out! No, wala yan! See?
Wala, malakas. Malakas eh.
Relax! Baby boy! Relax! Okay. Yes!
Ah! Ay, buset. Hala, makaabang na naman yung isa doon. Sige.
Relax, relax.
Oh! Ang tangkad nun eh.
Foul on number 8, Dustin, your penalty situation. That's his first personal foul.
Maabot niya yun eh.
Ang laki niya talaga eh.
Oo.
Yung reach kasi talaga nila mahaba.
Ang lalaki naman kasi nila eh.
Yung nagpapasahan, maliliit lang.
Shooting two, John Cuban.
Mukhang laki-laki nung nagaganon na.
Wow! Ay, sorry.
Ha? Nahihiya na yung ano ko.
Okay, stop na. I think nasa kanya dito yung game na pinapanood ko. Woo! 9 points na. 9 points na. Relax.
Wala. Uy, tulungan niyo si ano.
Ano ba yan?
Nakatatlong bangga eh.
Binabangga.
Pushing foul on number 34, Kim
Ah,
Tech. Penalty
nakatatlong ano siya
situation.
eh. Nakatatlo
That's
siya eh.
his third personal foul.
Ano ba yan?
Third na. Second quarter pa lang tayo.
Shooting two, Johanna Sisler.
Graduation.
First set. Sabi na bitin eh.
Masyado niya kinokontrol. Hindi niya malakas yun.
Kasi kanina malakas. Ayun. Yun. Swak.
Set.
Johannes.
Foul number 4, Paul Navarro. That's his first personal foul. 2 free throws for Jung Kyu Min.
Ay, siya. Yun, tangkad mo nga eh.
Laki eh.
Pati rin yung isang.
Natin hanggang kilikili lang.
Ah!
Mandatory timeout.
Yes, Dustin. Love you, Dustin. Ilan points? 8. Diyos ko, isang
Alright, mga
Why is your
Ranger
point?
Arena, kasama ko ngayon dito sa audience, Richard Juan in the house. Okay, Richard, kailangan ko malaman, sino ang sinusuportahan mo dito sa game na to?
Guys, syempre, nasa Philippines tayo. Home court natin to. So, Team Philippines, let's go!
Richard, sino ang favorite player mo sa Team Pilipinas?
Grabe! Ang hirap ng tanong mo naman.
David.
Sa Team Philippines, I think we should ask the crowd, who's your favorite in Team Philippines, guys?
Dustin,